What's the meaning of Colonel Blimp? Colonel Blimp. Colonel Blimp.
Colonel Blimp. Colonel Blimp. Colonel Blimp is a British cartoon character created in the 1930s, known for his conservative views and outdated approach to military tactics. The character has become a symbol of resistance to change and progress. Colonel Blimp has been used as a term to refer to people who hold similar outdated beliefs, often used in a derogatory manner. It has also been used to describe any person or thing that represents a bygone era or way of thinking that is out of touch with modern times.